Hi guys, hope all you are doing well. So today's topic is a little bit different. I will try to cover how to cope up with the fast-moving AI innovations. As you know, every day, every company is launching new products like Amazon, Google, or Azure. So how do we cope up with this fast-paced moving AI landscape? So for that, I have segregated AI in four different regions. One is the data engineering. So any AI model you want to build, you have to just process the source data, then store that, and then create your models or test the model. So you have to understand the data engineering landscape. The data science is a last decade. For last decade, we have created a lot of machine learning models using supervised technique, unsupervised technique, and reinforcement technique. And recently, we have a deep learning, which is nothing but a mimic of the human brains, right? So the way the child is learning the things, machines also learning the things like the same manner. And recently, we have a transformers. That's the encoder and decoder kind of architectures. And the new kid in the block is a generative AI, where machines or AI is now working like a human. They're able to create the like images or text, videos, everything. So these are the key four areas where a lot of tractions are happening, and especially on the generative AI. Now I will give you the idea what will be the strategy so that you can keep learning the things in a fast pace, right? So to start with, all all the five steps whatever I have given, this will be applied for all these four pillars. So like that you can think of. So to start with, you first have to identify and understand the business use cases in any specific domain. You can go to BFSI, manufacturing, or healthcare. So what will be the key use cases, right? Which will be solved by data engineering, or which will be solved by generative AI or deep learning. If you can understand that, that will give you a clear picture on your head. Now the next task will be to understand the key building blocks to create that architecture which will serve that use case. If you can understand that, or if you can able to draw that architecture, or if you can envision that architecture, that will help you to understand the AI more deeply. Now the third and very important step is, as a developer or an architect or anyone in AI space, have to understand what are the tools or what are the services companies are launching continuously. So if you want to go to AWS, what are the AWS services they have launched for processing the AI or ML models? Or if you go to Azure, what are the key building blocks or building tools which you have to know, or services you need to know? So that part you have to cover. Like in case of AWS, it may be SageMaker. In case of Google, it may be Gemini and Vertex AI, right? And then once you do this initial step, three steps, then you go to the fourth step where you just identify one of the use case which you think you can crack that, and then you understand what will be the architecture. You finalize that end-to-end architecture to build that use case technically, and and then you use the specific tools and services with which you can build that architecture and solve that use case. Maybe you can go for Azure and you can use the open AI kind of generative AI products and services, and you can build a kind of a CV and JD matching application, right? So you can have create a Gen AI application like that. So once you do all these four steps, then you can try to publish your whatever POC or code base you made. You publish it to GitHub and try to write something about the POC whatever you made, and then discuss with the business people or business users. If you can get in touch with them, discuss with them what you did. So that will add a lot of value to you. And the idea is, if you do continuously these five steps, right, for each area, maybe data engineering, maybe data science, or generative AI, so eventually you will know what are the new advancements are coming into the picture. So rather than only looking in ad hoc basis, I will prefer to go through this systematic approach in a regular basis. Hope you have enjoyed this video. I tried to create this video within short period of time, so 3 to 4 minutes. And I will request you to please do subscribe to my channel for more data and AI related videos. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.